Hey, my friend, sit down here. Come here. We gonna talk. Do you want some drinks? What drinks do you want?
Have you got True Big?
Yes, water.
Yeah, True Big.
Red Horse, do you want?
Tanguay!
Huh?
Tanduay Ice.
Tanduay Ice. What drink do you drink?
Tanguay.
Tanduay Ice? What color? Red or blue?
Any.
Any. Miguel.
San Miguel Light. Good for the pookie.
Yeah. Alam mo ha?
Ganun.
Do you know ha?
He's videoing me, isn't he?
It's video.
Facebook
It's
pa.
for our memories only.
Oh, man. Facebook.
Facebook.
Thank you.
Ano sa'yo mo?
Wala, maya-maya.
English.
Naku, nagdudugo.
Kalahay mo yan eh. English, foreign germs ka rin ah.
What breed is that dog? Married back.
Do you want Pinay? So syrup?
Later. Thank you.
Super syrup Pinay? That's why do you want to live here in the Philippines? Right?
I like
To the left?
left, right.
Mahuhusay talaga yung mga ano natin, oh. Mga kalahok natin dito kahapon. May kalahok ako dito eh. Napalaban na naman ng English eh.
Ay, iba pa sila?
Oo, iba yan. Iba kahapon. Ewan ko babalik. Ito ata babalik ulit.
Yung may kasamang babae.
You have to make money.
Again. Make
You
money.
have to make big para.
Yeah, make money. Oh, hustling.
No hustling. Work.
Work.
What kind of work?
Landscape gardening.
Landscaping.
How much is your salary?
Oh,
Million.
I can't tell you that.
Wow! Ayaw sabihin kasi malaki-laki.
Yeah, you think I'm loco.
Peace love, you're so good.
Salamat po.
Thank you so much. Gar, video mo ako. Diyan ka lang. Wala akong tubig para magbuka tayo mabait.
This one, the Everest.
Hindi, binibenta. Hindi pa display mo rin.
Display mo. Magkano yan ganyan?
Tsaka magpapalas tayo kay mother kasi maganda yung anak.
Dalawa nga dapat po yan.
Pero,
Akong absent na...
madam,
Ayun,
ang tubig, water.
Dabo po ang...
Hindi ba ka nang uhukay? Siyempre, maintam pa lang kailangan.
Pineapple. No, you said big.
Hindi tayo ubra. Hindi tayo ubra kasi mamaselan. Hindi ubra ang sales token natin.